Welcome guys, Tamiya WRC. A friend of mine gave me this to repair. It's a Ford Focus ST. I believe it's a Tamiya TB01, TT01 or a TL01. Bought in around 2000, 2001. There's no sure date on that. But we're going to try and rebuild it. This one is the Nitro version. So let's have the lid off. And there you go. Hasn't been run for years and years and years. That's full of jelly. Everything is filthy. Wants a complete strip down. Total rebuild. And that is an old crystallized receiver. So we're going to put a new receiver in it, new controller, and one of the diffs is a bit locked, sort of skids a little bit. So we're going to strip the diffs, clean them all out, put new oil in them, clean the fuel tank out, clean the engine. Obviously the air filter's just rotted away, look. It's been running extremely hot, looking at that. So we're going to get it tuned up, clean the exhaust out, polish it all up. Shocks, they seem okay, but we'll give them a good clean up. We're going to do a build series on this. So as I do it, I will be videoing and showing you guys what we're doing to it. It's a vintage car, obviously it's over 20 years old. So, and there you can see the clutch bell's been getting extremely hot. That thing has actually ever been set up, but yeah, we'll strip all the diffs and make sure that it's all good. As you can see, it's locking up on the diffs and going the opposite ways, right? So that's what we're going to do. Strip it, put a new aerial tube on, obviously sort all this out, clean the chassis up, clean all the wheels up. The tyres are in good nick, they just want cleaning. They're all glued up nicely still. Oh, that one's a bit loose, but yeah, the build series coming up on this, and we'll let you know what's happening with the car. I have found a new body for it, and it comes with all the stickers and everything, and it's in white. So I don't know, I have to talk to him, see if he wants to get that one. But servo there, that's just swaying about in there. This one I want setting back up. But yeah, hopefully we'll get a 20-year-old veteran running. So if you know exactly what model this is and where it comes from, I believe, like I said, it's a Tamiya. If anybody knows, let us know in the comments, and then we can source the parts properly. But yeah, I think it's in pretty good nick, to say they used to bash the hell out of it. Really, the chassis seems to be straight. So next video, we'll start stripping the arse end off it, getting the fuel tank soaked in something and get it cleaned, make sure it's not leaking, put some new lines on it. So we'll see you in the next video. If you like this, subscribe to the channel, press the notifications, and we'll do this as a playlist so that you know exactly where to go. Cheers guys, bye.